Good morning. It is a beautiful sunny Tuesday morning, to be more specific, here in Bangkok, and I decided that today I will film my whole day and show you exactly what I'm spending in a day in Bangkok to give you a rough idea of what things cost here, what you should expect to spend if you're coming to Bangkok as a tourist or if you're coming here to stay for a bit longer. So I am in Lumpini Park right now. I came here for my morning run, and the first thing that I spent my money on this morning was this bottle of water. It cost me exactly 10 baht, and 10 baht is around 30 cents. So I think it will also be quite interesting to compare it and talk about. Oh my god. And that is why you shouldn't use a bottle of water as your tripod. Anyways, okay, let's go. I am actually getting hungry now. As you can see, this guy caught a fish and all these bears are trying to eat his fish. So I'm gonna have breakfast at this place called France. It's a Western style, like breakfast slash a brunch place. So that breakfast cost me 589 baht, which is $17. So for Bangkok, it's obviously more on the pricey side, but not the priciest side, definitely. I mean, you do have a lot of really nice places in this city, so it can get much more than that, but it was so good. I mean, I very highly recommend this place. Like, my eggs Benedicts were just perfect. I am craving coffee right now, so I'm gonna get myself some iced coffee from this street food vendor. This coffee was 25 baht, and a coffee at this other place was 130, 150. So huge price difference, but that's just Bangkok for you. Of course, that's every big city for you. But here you really have huge contrasts between what you can get on the street or from more local traditional Thai places and what you get from like more Western slash fancy places. That was a very long and eventful morning. I mean, eventful. I had breakfast and I went for a run. What an eventful morning. Anyways, I made it home to Nonsi. So I'm gonna give you a little apartment tour and share with you how much I'm paying for this place. So basically, you walk in and the first thing you see is the kitchen. This is the living room, and I'm staying on the pool side. So we have the swimming pool right here, and then there is a gym right there. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Let me close the window. You always have to close the window in Bangkok because there's a lot of things living outside that you don't want inside your space. So it's a two-bedroom place. So I'm not using this one. This is a smaller bedroom that I'm just using for my stuff. And here is the master bedroom. Yeah, this is what it looks like. There's also a balcony here, and I finally have a proper closet to put my stuff. Lots of mirrors, and the bathroom is here, and we have a shower. So what you can expect to pay for a place like this in Bangkok is about 20 to 25,000 baht, depends. Prices can change depending on the time of the year, etc. The reason why I decided to stay here is because this is where I always used to live when I first moved to Bangkok 6-7 years ago. I cannot count. So, you know, I just had to stay in Nonsi. This place is really my home in Bangkok. It feels very homey, you know. The ladies who work here are so nice, and the atmosphere is just very friendly and relaxed, and it doesn't even feel like you are in a big city because this area is so green, and it's also quite calm for Bangkok. I'm sitting by my desk here editing for many hours now, and it is time for lunch. It's time for a break, so I'm gonna go out and get myself probably some noodles or rice. We'll see. You never know. So I got myself some noodles from Mama's, and they're 60 baht for a portion of noodles with shrimp. And this is what it looks like. I am back at it again. I'm heading to the metro station. I'm gonna take metro over to the riverside because I've been put in charge of figuring out boat cruise. So basically my family is coming to Bangkok on Saturday. I'm very excited to see them because I haven't seen them for more than 2 months.
Take it away, take it away.
And it's kind of also a good excuse for me to explore that different side of Bangkok. This time around I promised myself that I will sort of go out of my Bangkok comfort zone and explore areas that I haven't explored that much before. And I've always lived so far from Riverside. I mean, Bangkok is so big, so leave it up to me to be in charge. Look what I found, both safety and fun. Exactly what we're looking for. So I guess that's where you can do a safety and a fun boat trip. So this is like a traditional long tail boat, and that's what we would like to have. So I was told that 2-hour cruise on the river and in the canals for free people will be 2,500 baht. It sounds like quite a lot to me. I don't know if I'm wrong, maybe that's what it costs, but I'm gonna go to another pier to ask for their price. Just love exploring these random places in Bangkok that I haven't been to. Random, I mean just places that I haven't been to. It doesn't mean that they're random. So it's good to have like a little mission sometimes. So the building that you see right there is the famous building from Hangover in Bangkok. That movie, that famous movie that I haven't even watched it. Oh, so many cats here. So I'm just walking through some alleys, like very narrow alleys, like only motorbikes and human beings can walk here. I love these narrow alleys of Bangkok. I think that is it for today. I'm gonna head back home now, or I don't know what I'm having for dinner. I'm kind of considering stopping by a supermarket and getting some eggs. So I decided that I'll just quickly grab something from 7-Eleven. I did grab one banana so far, and just gonna make like, I don't know, mostly at home or something. I also couldn't resist and got myself some mango sticky rice from Mama's for 50 baht. So I will put the total amount that I spent on the screen right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out in Bangkok with me, and I will see you in another vlog. I'm just so excited to eat now. Starving. Okay, bye.